a dear any problem.
Minia, let me say, in the Fourth Republic, is a minia penny casano, Medana say, ocean is submission now, and then one year too political on his own side. Most of the time, I will be a submission. I don't know, no, I can't was say no, propaganda, but I never done say for submission now. I know. Mimi who say, in the Fourth Republic, no, a bambia ba a baby. But in say, you know, my beer, as you to Mrs. Sa, ever or mine. Na nyoma we ne best sa ese started from the younger generation. Minia yeka corruption asema ene mekere wade bi corruption no enye politicians nko a na ye corrupt o. Wo hwe ye man Ghana nkasa ase corruption no edware ye. Ase ye dware o ne ye the corruption so dware o. Obi a wo ye adwuma ko government ayi bia institution bia so ko ye bibi. Obi aban tua ne ka na adwuma eso ye cross che de one man scans an why na adwuma ukọ private sector kwa ya de obi also che de wa grease ne pam ansan why de eso wo ye bebia yeah creation is a religious country who shema over 70% of Ghanaians are Christians and ye war enkemofo so gum ye war traditional religion we to almost believe in the traditional religion into who shem kra na more than 90% of the population are religious. Meanwhile, no, yem practice ye religion ne kra ye. Inti ye kra ye complaining about Ghana. No. What are we doing in our own small way to help change the situation or to help change the narrative? Oba ekrobi to say UK and the Western world systems ni ye juma.
Okay.
I quite remember said there was a day now there was an emergency somewhere. And obi frame me na nature say domestic violence.
Okay.
Papa bi bone bane nyoma ekone ye inti obi frame nam say no and am two car and am rush say me ko fa ne ba na fifio se ne ya omo no nti na wabu akwala na ma nyoma bibiri akoso ti me ko fa akwala yi na me nam na the way ya papa ni fifie ne ko wi akwala ni firi office because ni empese police bebam na me nipa no no so afi no oba krom fofo Italy na aba no nim UK mra say UK de ontum me yes anwoma we ho Italy no bu na niguso ye nti office a ho so ye Italy and I'm catching say UK there emra ye adwuma wo emra ye adwuma na emra ni di wa na adi minia me se me kona na me pick call because na obi afre social service
okay
ama nipa no the social service for frame number the number my inti me fire say na police car so di machi
wow
me phone issue me dey tua maso say na me kasa after the police for be na ma drop food this say boko or who me dada or ha no start to flashing a light and I be pull over me change mo say I'm just doing my job only there regardless of what situation do ye na juma emran say untumi mfa phone tia waso
whilst you are driving
inti on the na juma no ye ono so hwe so ohun se me so ye ma juma de but I say ka me park ansa na ma pick call no inti no wa chero no am ticket wa jo license and registration wa bibia ye koma me 3 points e wo ho se mafa e koma so anka masa because system ne ne yi enye adwuma 87.9 sebi me semeka obi be yes so we say now the crash and sem no we jaw now but o hwe broni si bae no o tie situation say we dey emergency ampanti na yes mfa call no but o say emra ne nti ontumi nya wo hwe emra nti into one the way I make chire mu no se emra ye adwuma emra no ene boa e shepu a society ba ye kroma no emra na nkasa ya ye moa ma ne nyeye inti say ye pese change ba Ghana e say ya ordinary citizens so ye change your attitude inti say politicians bebre I na ye condemn mo e no ma yi say minia hwe se covid buy na wo hwe se nyoma short wo market hwe the way price business women and men say no mu issue two prices go up bebre. But when you go to the West now, nyoma bi what they don't allow. Say America say there are about 4 big supermarkets in the UK. As you see a trading standard for the omo kokot. So omo increase on prices too much. E ko come ye do obi akokot. Ye be fine omo su sika. Say omo increase price too much. Omo take advantage of the situation during the COVID period. and no more escalating prices no for because of profit. Oh, into me can say I want you to do baby. But one thing so I must say who Ghana ha esi ni and you should be on say minia me wo enkofu be bro mo abrochi and come person investment back home.
Oh yeah.
But me chira wa de be problem bi wa ha no. Wo be investment wo Ghana kra na unua no hwa we abrochi obedi sika ni adwuma ni sika ni obedi. Utua ne ka no owia kro no ase de kro no adware nipa. Abeye spirit bi intesi a bomb pie for say rade beje yen. Ade when ye hia empire so.
I think his attitude not change.
Exactly.
About prayers.
And the oka and all these things is the best start here. Me catch you be say ya yenyi de yenyi na wi. Your attitude ni be bia for mo wi. Sometimes it's difficult. E che do dane dane yen kakra. Ansa na yetumi di change aba. But at least for mo enkwala na ye wo mo no. E se started nyoma bi chire enkwala no. No munya odoma mother Ghana. On be very patriotic. Omo nya nyoma bi. Uko China akora ketwa ni a start ni ye di nyoma egu ni trim. Ti akora ni benyini no. Or you're very nationalistic. What you say? And we're very patriotic. Onya dia ebehane mind. Inti me huni say some of these things no enye politician kwa. But me nua ekasa no kan sembi say Ushema in the Fourth Republic no His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Me de me feel say wabo adwuma. Ba nipa de obeye bi wa me ni na. President bi abia beye bi. Uhwe Fourth Republic our late president, Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings. Obebo adwuma koy. Okoye president Kufuor obi kan asem meteleso anama sorry ono so bebo adwuma gentle giant bebo adwuma owieye wo hwa no wasa hwe say late president Atamils media me kan asem bia cho me yan ndc ni but ye ka president anka me adma ne panka yo no from the NDC scam Atamils yeah. Because man no passenger no me de me feel say enye yare na no yare ka perhaps he would have become one of the best president yenya Ghana inti because of that time na ne ho fa nti amafo abuse system no enu nti na ma anyo bi chia ye because so hwe ne ho a ono no ompe ne ho bebre sa na ni mrade onye materialistic
yeah
a president onye materialistic no ono won ko fuye sika because no de yeden osuka se ko ana no te ede no de ye inti ese president bi wa ese etumi e bo mabaso Uba na hwe sesi a ye president otisi mini ayi kasa oka bi say friends and family government. But bia this is not the first time maybe a see in the Fourth Republic. President bebre by obi e den na se ni nua ye politician. No betumi abo na adwuma e de ode ne bam. Natural. Obi fi se ni nua wom na oba na obebo adwuma na ode ne bebam. But e see ye hwe ni output. Ye hwe ni pa na adwuma oye. Ene na ade be jeje no. Not necessarily relations with the sitting president. So he said, "You money edition is our year." Honorable Amakwata, road minister. Mimi in my own, before you say he has been one of the best ministers. Yenya, but he's related to the president. It doesn't mean so on to me hold the post. No. Oh yeah, Juma. It is any panny here, Juma Kwa dia. Ye me yenfa relations in mem. Yen share any panny Juma dia shan san. Oh yeah. Ena Ghana so ankasa no ahokyira aba Ghana no memegia to me a politician bi am a honest politician meaning say at the moment no achi aba emuye si ye betumi atenten nkakra but me pese me gina na me kama Ghana fo hu say problem kakra ekoso Ghana no ade a global problem enye only common to Ghana or a special case for Ghana. In the case of, I'll pick two countries. In the case of UK, I'll pick United Kingdom as one me submission. Share, and maybe by a family of 4, ube to make a grocery shopping. Maybe I would 60-70 pound a quay. Say, I would 150 pound a.
I see.
In Chenya Ghana and Kwana, I want you baby. Because of all these challenges are covered by the share COVID. We swaba, we share Russia Ukraine war, and summer food inflation. They said a mini kasai because so share almost ye just some fly oil ye just from Ukraine, grains baby from Ukraine. Ama prices cost because when there is shortage in the system in economics, so we say their prices will go up. What you say? Inti say no money to be my papa. Omo yeah, he did jana. Ne ya sa tutututum. Into because when we say there is the demand exceeds supply. Into when demand exceeds supply, obviously prices will go up. Into some of these things, so the president has no control over. oh but who say nyoma astate e ba form se si a wo inflation kura rate se me ne yi kan se si e drop e ba form enkaka kakra it will take time but me ne bisa ho se Ghana ha nkasa se nyoma boy dia how many times a nyoma ne ba form inti ene che se ye system bi anya adwuma oh so hu se ye tutufu wa mu a ade be chi no obi ato nyoma ba ye tifu wo so obi enu oteso transport operators kwante so enuane sesi a yemfa ne se okokra nyoma na nyoma na de boarding anase bibi nti na otutu ma sesi a yemfa ne se nyoma asate ye normal but when we say edwadefo ntete nyoma so it is some of these things you can't blame the government only si ye hwe as a country yes ye hwe se ekwan be so ye be fa so one me ne ka so kan asem bi say restrictions are budget yes enke ye dey ba say import restrictions ne ade me ne ye adwen won so bishi ne ho media madwe me say a good idea say ye this ade ne beba but we also need to look at a way you be implementation is very important. Your policy might be an excellent policy but the way you go about implementing it no as soon as how effective it will be because see I will say ye import nyoma bebre eno e the pressure ba your currency no so oh e the pressure ba your currency no so inti because of that no see you to me look at agriculture inti the buy and you start here planting for food planting for jobs youth ye nyoma bebre I feel say ye beboa inti see I will share agric sector no ye buy no ye grow that side no na there's more job to be done ye wo nyoma bebre see ye a wo hwe honorable Brian Champion o sesi a ye de nakoto yi sesi ono so started the nyoma bi totototo akwema ebema sesi a watumi ahu businessmen wo hwe into poultry farming na sesi a wo de hwe we import more than me check ya de kwa na I was shocked se enkoko sebi akoko a ewu ekroma no ye import more than $1 billion ye issue more than $1 billion to import enkoko into Ghana akoko a ye we keke import bebre. But in the past, we had the likes of Daku farms and other people. No more yes, I do want not yen rely solely on import. It is a see, I make for Akwenye so encourage all business people. So we should look at going into farming. Yes, see a kwe bibi a beboa, nano so to me de sika ama or mine. Now also abua because poultry farming a good business. Intermediate may advocate say, yen try say, ye baby be in our own small way. Near to my bibi abua na set pressure embed that currency no so na because you import to bebra a year day your currency will be affected but me dear me gidi ye say because of ye pesi ye to me try say formalize the economy no nyoma bebre besesa wo hwe digitalization nyoma ye de aba his excellency the vice president Dr. Baumia obo adwuma ye o yire ne ho pa ye adwuma ne idea so na nipa bi ntiase na all kasa about digitalization say also kasa about how you be formalize our economy no na nipa bi ntia se ba me ka say last week ya me tu kwa me ba me de Ghana card ne buy what you say obi be ka say Ghana card ye we te bi ba me kira wade see e build systems ne work here and then etumi change nyoma enkakan kakra say see a wo hwe taxis Uber any boat buy say local taxi no omu business omu complain ya His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Baumia said no. See to me think outside the box. What I say because we're a transformational leader into a journal say no. See to me app be tap and go. Say see on together with the GP out. Omo to me create app. As see a local taxi for no to me nya. I will to me that normal local taxi class na be dey abefa. Inti now no o sha industrial revolution na e ba na ho I say nyoma bi esesa e owiase inti say nyoma esesa owiase na yesu yan get close to nyoma na e ba sisi ahwe AI wuti o sisi aminia u program a wo ye ho emme bi beba ade a me kan twroto ebi kwa radio mu hia so betena obeye oho omo build nyoma a woni akura system no ebe weke what you say ye program nyoma obi betuma be kina na ebi kwa nya wo program say bi a talk show but obi nyom kra na ye program nyom betuma about 24 hours obi eni akwa radio no enyom no be koso especially radio a mo bonyom pa e na sesi a wo hwe so a meti ya sesi a minia se mi pe bibia metumi akọ chat GTP na maka chat GTP ebi a ye say mama within me first say within 30 seconds to 1 minute na ade abro sisi ade wo pe bia nti sisi a wo ade problem a university say face down in abrochiri enye Ghana abrochiri Woman nipa na assignment kura. And also dissertation e so okoye kura na. Nipa no ko cha DGP no ka dissertation wa ya. E be tro bibia A to Z na dia ba. So anything na vice president e ka say CSU to me get involved in some of these things because it may create employment. Am I youth no? Oh, youth in IT. Inti nyoma bebre o promote so that it will bring change in our country. Inti media mesre say achia emuye. Menka say MPP aban ba ya ye bibia. Ba ya ye bi pa. Ah my Ghana say wo tena se na wa analyze ya. Hwe president bia ba oye bibi no de agya ne din. Hwe in the fourth republic ho. Wo bo president a untumi nka so mo the late president Rollins din. Ubebo ni din. Next Mechiro president stere amudi enye rada. Mechiro uwi akochoro to be kase mekan yampa. Ubo ni din first. Ubo abebo president Kufuor din. President Kufuor din enye rada. Do you know why? NHIS. Ubeye bibi ye national program na ubeye na be kawa. Ye bo PS asime time ye dey. Ye. Upa next the third person so ye His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Because of free SHS. Ni din enye na wo history book mu da. Because they see a lot of African countries are coming to Ghana. So we be sure how you implement your free SHS no. Anyhow ye no. Se see a mini make say school placement by nipa be break school from 2017 kwa free SHS buy enrollment level ne kosu de bia. Mini first na ko bi we JHS ko ntumi nko school because of sika. But se see ye see ayi free. Into ko boarding house ko wadua ne ko abedi ni free o. Ye maame ne papa mum tua ayi o. Ye ko school ye maame ne papa mum tua ayi o. School fees, boarding fee bibia utia. Se see we day student ko ye share ma one hot meal for the day. O ko school ko tua school fees ko tua she. Mini first ye ne ye wa kontu mu no. Si e bie school say ya course a wo benya ni pay for me ba school fees me ba say se see aso atwa. Inti ya broche for the one toyen obi oti abroche bi anaso atan broche da bia no will tell you say free SHS ko save we am I remittance square ba Ghana no ko reduce kakra because ke bi school sa sika ye de ba down no e be boa amanfo mu hiamwa all over the world but se see asadi nia eso atwa because obabeko school free enti nanado ne policies no de ba no e boa oman no but ya na sometimes start obi ntiase. But the mission minimum say so many time now steady. Na se see a wo hwe so okay free SHS ye de buy no benefit be na abem. Se see mini a wuti we house boy house girl obebre. Woodman kuntia. Obi aba ko school. No ababa no me house boy no me house girl. Until we have to know say we have to build our human capital on. And see to be making sure say you building the next generation of workers. It could be you need to build the next generation of workers. Se see obi ka obi so na de na Ghana e dinti na manfo tu kwan kwa abochire. You see, so who say yes, spot talent as well. Say see ye Barbados, any other countries you would deal. Ye the nurses crack on them ko ejuma. Ghana government no must sign. I the nurses free yako Barbados ko ejuma. Oh, ko ejuma because your SS. Meaning your SS nurses in the system. Obi oko we school 2-3 years in place in the nurses gum. Inti adibia me feel say see etumi hu say ye bo ejuma in terms of education. And a mission fees oko India the whole world most call centers na India no. One way be a me hope say because of the digitalization no. And His Excellency Baumia vision will work for Ghana nintino. A time will come a lot of call centers will come to Ghana. Currently make us say we have 2 call centers at Omaba Ghana. A European base omo Europe but so free say be UK person company kasa ye route near the Ghana. Na obi na ne kasa ho wonim se dipa no ko Ghana se sia currently yenya 2 call centers free UK a omayi operation aba Ghana because of se wo hwe se electricity is stable what you say your internet infrastructure is very solid and because of that attract investors and other people to come in to set up businesses se sia no so create employment the last time menu broni bi kasai na airport ni gina also wo Ghana and I'm saying na ko Ghana kwedos must set up call center e Ghana inti on e kokosho operation ni bibia say no meko and I'm saying sir me kwa na minim and so no break it down so 2 companies on my bay it's in Accra.
What is the name of the institution?
Oh, the name a call center for some companies in Ghana. Sorry, in Europe. For instance, Tok is a company in UK.
Okay.
And I will show so there's another company or mention here. And also they have to do with
Omo Abba because they want to get market in Ghana, and I say Omo year free UK because Ghana system better than UK. Which one?
The reason I omo yene say, instead sometimes companies will be a category. Ebi omo who say be a UK no, wo sha instead salary, ne boarding. Utia will be a call center. Ebi because UK or your minimum wage require £10 something, you do £11 an hour. But oba Ghana untia sa. It's a cost savings measures omo dey. And this one a benefit here so because India benefited for so many years. What you say see me UK make my friend talk as a company e be am internet problem be about say what you brofo na to me say akwa we dey kuruma brofo ni India ni brofo pepe na oka into omuso hu say Ghana ye brofo ho te o ka English speaking country na ye brofo mo te into UK companies so omo set up omo call centers wa ha omo cut cost moreover no so e create employment ama ordinary Ghanaians into any no omo dey here into they are not selling anything here. They are providing a service for companies in the West.
Okay.
What you are saying. So they are not providing the service here. It's not a local service we provide, but an international service. Into omo fra no more route course no they about omo. Into no mafa. Say bianca OTA, you can work from home. Maybe a oye call center oye juma. Into maybe beba na ye mu bia na ese kwotena office oye juma. Ebi ko ofie laptop ya set ya bibia. It call come through and out to. Into na broche working from home near very common. Maybe a one phone calls. Oh, into all these things are possible because of infrastructure development. Diaba, say I share fiber biotic aye President Kufuor time no start here. Ya expanding no. Ama say ama utumi say your internet infrastructure is very solid. Into these are some of the reasons why I attracted other companies to come and settle in Ghana. Into me person me say young consume building upon it. Oh, bibia no a system. Into me believe you say you build these systems now. A time will come, it will eradicate a corruption. Corruption, they ain't to me eradicating near 100%, but it will reduce it. Into anything a president be back or catch us we should build institutions. Near build the systems a bit to my you remove human interface ni free wape, a be reduce corruption. Say alcohol haba sika first, it will be a good to say be a bank, eco bank. A cut down corruption kakao habo. Meaning what you say? Say electricity or my own app. As you see, our person talk credit and you be an SOP outside. Your app, you can download the app, you can top up. Your pay as you go. Oh, into all these things also so a bois or minor. Into a see to me who say governance is a continuous process. Now your problem back why your war Ghana pana and my development in question say yes we have about 8 years. Yes, and work it doesn't work like that. So wo koso yesa me nua pani ka so kan asem bi wo bo se bi a MPP adwuma pa ye yi wo bo se bi a ye anwie ne ye ko NDC ba no adrop o se me so me be me de enu nti na eman no emwaye no oh into your proper national development plan ye tumi e de akomram ne ya hye se whether ye MPP wo ye NDC wo ba e so ya e na be boy development into me ne kasam ne ya adwene ho e se ye more nationalistic ye dwene ho se ye man sika e ne ye de ye into whether NDC or MPP no oba is or twaso. Period. Into you no see the passing into law. Ni who say national development plan edaho. So oba say ye in the next 5 years your target you say. They say no kasa about import restrictions. Say be a yenya ni kakra me no kan me tena sepa. Into see the plan to it doesn't matter who is in government. But currently we don't have such a plan. And nothing ye mu be say see a tumi ma aban ye adwuma ye ye mo twaso kakra. Inti na ye advocating for breaking the 8. Say moma ho kwan ema his excellency the vice president Dr. Baumia sumna meden emeto adwuma no so. Na say Dr. Baumia beto adwuma no so a me say let me tell you one thing I'm making a prediction here. Eminia e dey bi ba obekasa me kan obekasa me D4 kwa na ma be hye nkomo a. Say nyame ma ho kwan ema his excellency the vice president of Ghana ha. He will become the best president in the Fourth Republic. I'm telling you. The idea is a good papa ni tiri mu no enya ideas keto. He's a man of action. He doesn't just talk or can some na or
and 12 to 13% exchange rate.
Oh minia so who said there are challenges. Let's look at why those things came in. Let's look at why those things came in. Who kasa minia me ba mama and this is here no be minim so obebam. But no ho me believe what did be say yɛhwɛ ne ahwɛ sɛ yɛn compare to other African countries how economic challenges by affect you almost. And yet Ghana, we are not an exception.
And Ghana,
we live in a global Ghana, a global world.
Ghana have had exchange rate akudusa when you are counting the highly indebted country. Africa, Ghana will rank first.